Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may pag-uusapan tayo tungkol sa depensa, Pilipinas pumalag sa pahayag ng Defense Ministry ng China, pinabulaanan ni Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea Commodore J. Tariela. Ang pahayag ng Ministry of National Defense ng China kasunod ng banggaan ng People's Liberation Army Navy at ng mga barko ng China Coast Guard sa Baho de Masinloc noong 11 ng Agosto, ang tagapagsalita ng Ministry ng Pambansang Depensa ng China na si Jiang Bin noong Biyernes, ay nag-claim na maraming mga barko ng PCG ang ilegal na pumasok sa teritoryong karagatan ng China. Sinabi niya na ang mga barko ng Chinese Coast Guard ay gumawa umano ng mga hakbang alinsunod sa batas upang harangan ang mga sasakyang dagat. Ngunit ang Pilipinas ay gumawa ng mapanganib na mga maniobra na nawagan pa ang tagapagsalita ng Ministry sa Pilipinas na itigil na ang mga aksyon nito. Itinanggi ni Tariela ang mga pahayag, at muling iginiit na ang Pilipinas ay walang pananagutan sa insidente at walang ginagawa sa gitna ng tensyon sa pinagtatalo ng karagatan. Sinabi niya na wala silang natanggap na anumang opisyal na ulat mula sa People's Republic of China, Chinese Coast Guard o ang Chinese Embassy sa mga naiulat na pinsala o pagkamatay mula sa banggaan.
Regarding the statement of the Defense Ministry, I think Secretary Gilbert Chigoro has already responded in the same statement. No? It is not us who's provoking anybody. It is not also the Philippine Coast Guard or the Philippine government that escalates the tension in the West Philippine Sea. The reason why tension is rising, it's because of their dangerous actions and illegal presence within our own exclusive economic zone. If there's one country that escalates the tension in the entire South China Sea, not just in the West Philippine Sea, that is the People's Republic of China. Because they are deploying their China Coast Guard vessels and even PLA Navy warships, and this is the source of the tension. For the Philippine Coast Guard, we are not doing anything that provokes any countries in the region.
Tumugon din ang PCG spokesperson sa pahayag ng isang Chinese maritime expert na dapat magbayad ang Pilipinas ng danyos sa banggaan. Isang sasakyang pandagat ng Philippine Coast Guard noong Biyernes ang bumuntot sa isang barko ng China Coast Guard na nakita sa kanluran ng lalawigan ng Zambales, sa inilarawan ng Maritime Monitoring Group na Sea Light bilang highly unusual proximity para sa maritime forces ng China. Sa isang press conference, sinabi ni Commodore J. Tariela, ang tagapagsalita ng PCG para sa West Philippine Sea, na hinamon ng BRP Cape San Agustin ang CCG-3306 noong unang bahagi ng Biyernes matapos itong mamataan mga 58 nautical miles mula sa Capones Island sa Zambales. Kinumpirma ng pamunuan ng Philippine Coast Guard na walang namata ang Chinese Coast Guard malapit sa Manila Bay. Ginawa ni Philippine Coast Guard Commodore J. Tariela ang naturang kumpirmasyon matapos ang naging ulat na mayroong umaaligid malapit sa labas ng Manila Bay na CCG vessel, ani Tariela. Ang pinakamalapit na naabot ng CCG vessel ay may layong 30 nautical miles mula sa Capones Island, Zambales, kaya't malabo itong mapunta sa Manila Bay. Hindi rin aniya tama at angkop na gawing point of reference ang nasabing bay dahil masyadong malayo ang barko ng China doon. Naglayag naman ang naturang barko ng Pilipinas para palitan ang BRP Teresa Magbanua na bumalik na sa Manila.
I came yesterday. No? There are 4 Chinese Coast Guard vessels that we are currently monitoring sa Baho de Masinloc. They are maintaining a distance of 24 nautical miles sa paligid ng Baho de Masinloc. And there is also one China Coast Guard that is being traced being tailed by the Philippine Coast Guard, BRP Cape San Agustin. Ang bound numbers, no, yung 4 na China Coast Guard na nasa Baho de Masinloc is China Coast Guard 5303, 3305, 4305, and 4202. At the same time, there is also a Chinese research vessel that I also mentioned yesterday na minomonitor tayo ngayon sa Baho de Masinloc. The distance of the China Coast Guard that was reported na sinasabing nasa malapit na Manila Bay, but I had it corrected yesterday, na it was actually off the coast of Zambales and it's not actually in front of the mouth of Manila Bay. No? Currently, the distance of China Coast Guard 3105 is located at located at 40 nautical miles northeast of Bajo de Masinloc. Ibig sabihin, the distance is 80 nautical miles from Palawi to reach Zambales. So these are the 5 China Coast Guard vessels that we are monitoring off the coast of Zambales and the Chinese research vessel as well. If you look at the post of Ray Powell, the problem is he's actually using Manila Bay, the mouth of Manila Bay, as a point of reference. But in reality, kung titingnan mo naman, malayo naman talaga siya. That's why I keep on mentioning, we always measure it from Bataan or even from Cavite or even Mindoro, because it's much more rational if you're going to use that as a landmark to measure its location. Secondly, if you're going to use Manila Bay as a point of reference, it will attract so much attention from the public. But in reality, it's not really inside Manila Bay, or it's not that close from Manila Bay. So I'm just clarifying that we should not say that it is near Manila Bay or it's in the mouth of Manila Bay, because there are other provinces that are really close before you use Manila as your point of reference.
Para sa mas madaming update tungkol sa ating depensa, paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Maraming salamat po.